Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a trip to the famous Oguta Lake in Imo State. As usual, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. During our just concluded Easter road trip, we visited the famous Oguta Lake in Imo State, southeast Nigeria. Oguta is one of the major tourist destinations in Imo State and one of the most popular destinations in Nigeria. Although the Oguta Lake is yet to be transformed into a world-class destination, but people still come from far and wide to visit the lake, especially to see the famous conference of Ogbuide and Orashi. Unfortunately, it was almost dark when we got to Oguta community. We drove through Egbema instead of Ogbuide, and some of the roads were really terrible. We made a stop at Ada Palm Plantation, which was about 1 hour drive from Oguta. On getting to Oguta, we had to cross to the other side of the town via the lake. There was no bridge across the lake, so we had to drive our vehicle into a pontoon ship to enable us cross. Apparently, this is the only means of getting to either side of the communities.
Why you go back now?
This thing don't move now.
No, he was coming back now.
After I'm with this location. After I'm with this location.
Hey, young man, come here. Mobile market.
Yeah, so don't tell me that.
Huh?
Yeah, no, I'm not.
I can't walk. No, get some travel when I'm buying that. But these guys from Calabar. Yeah. Ha. I forced them. Oh.
On getting to Oguta main town, it was already dark, and there were limited hotels in the community. Crystal Lake Hotels was way above our budget, so we drove to Ogbuide, where we lodged at Aquarius Hotel and Suites. The next morning, we headed back to Oguta. We first made a stop at Crystal Lake Hotel.
Designed by the State Secretary of the Nigerian Labour Conference. 99,000. I want 1 million. And they waka now.
I want to work on something because I would like to.
If you are visiting Oguta and wish to stay at Crystal Lake Hotel, just be prepared. As a tourist, the hotel has a lot of activities to keep you engaged, but a little on the high side. Crystal Lake is the best hotel in Oguta and its environs. But there are other hotels one can stay, just like Aquelas. Most of the hotels within Oguta are located in Ogbuide, about 10 to 15 minutes drive from the lake. On leaving the resort, we went for our breakfast, after which we headed to the lakeside and boarded a boat that took us to the confluence of Ogbuide and Orashi, where it said that the two rivers never mix. In the town of Oguta in Imo State are two rivers known as Ogbuide and Orashi. The two rivers is believed to have never mixed and can never mix. Ogbuide, popularly known as Oguta Lake, is drained by the popular Njaba River, a river with its source from Isunjaba community in present-day Isu local government area of Imo State. While Orashi, which is also a tributary to the Oguta Lake, has its source from Dikenafai, a community in Idato South local government area of Imo State. According to legend, Many years ago, both Orashi and Ogbuide were said to be married. Orashi is said to be a man, while Ogbuide a woman, and they were both very much in love. One day, they had a very big issue that they never settled until they died. Upon their death, they reincarnated to become what is today known as Ogbuide and Orashi River, the two rivers that flow side by side but never mix. Well, whatever is the reason why the two rivers never mix, it's a mystery. I can't say for certain why they don't mix, but what I know is that it's a sight to behold.
Ikaw ba tayo? Ang hindi kayo tayo.